Welcome to Soldi Now. Today, we'll walk you through our simple user creation and onboarding flow, so you can start making payments right away. First, open your browser and go to soldinow.com. In the top right corner, click the Sign In button. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be taken to the Sign In page. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your home page. To make signing in or signing up easier, we've integrated social login with Apple and Google. Simply click one of these options, and you'll be redirected. Once you grant permission to share your details, you'll be signed in automatically. If you'd rather not use social login, select the Create Account tab. Enter your first and last name, email, and password, then click Create Account. Next, you'll be prompted to create a passkey on Apple devices, enable iCloud Keychain on Android devices, use Google Password Manager. These securely create and store your passkeys. If you prefer not to use a passkey, you can continue by using our mobile apps instead. After creating your passkey, you'll be taken to the Additional Details page. Enter your mobile phone number and agree to our terms and conditions. Then click Connect Bank with Plaid to securely connect your account to Soldi Now. You can rest assured, Plaid never shares your actual account number with us, keeping your information private and secure. You also have the option to head straight to the business registration page, which we cover in detail in our merchant onboarding video. After entering the one-time password sent to your device by Plaid, you'll be redirected to your bank's website. Provide your login credentials and agree to share your information with Plaid. When you're done, you'll be redirected back to Soldi Now. This entire process is fully secure. Your information is encrypted and kept completely private. On your user dashboard, you'll notice your current payment limit is set at $2,000. If you'd like to raise that limit to $10,000, simply click Verify Now. Fill in your details, your name, date of birth, SSN, and your address. Then click Request Upgrade. After that, just wait for the confirmation email. Once your account is verified, your limit automatically increases to $10,000, and you'll also unlock access to the Soldi Now wallet. And that's it. Your user onboarding is now complete. From here, you can simply scan any Soldi Now merchant's QR code using your phone's camera, enter the amount, and make your payment. Thank you for choosing Soldi Now. We're excited to have you on board, and we can't wait to help you make payments faster, easier, and more secure than ever.